This is a review of the Incredisonic VUE Series Pico Mini Projector model PMJ-400. It is an HDMI compatible 2D and 3D ready projector with a 400 lumen lamp. It features a built-in media player, personal home theater, and gaming entertainment system. The unit is nicely and securely packaged to prevent damage. Inside the box, you'll find a VGA connector to connect this to a computer if you'd like. You'll find a audio-visual cable that plugs in the back, the AC power cord, a remote control. Before you use it, you have to pull the tab out of the remote control to attach the battery, the power supply, the instruction manual, and the projector itself. You want to see the magic? Here's my iPhone. Yes, this thing is less than 1 pound of pure magic. On these cables, the VGA cable is 5 feet long or 60 inches. The AV cable is 35 inches. The power plug cable is 58 inches. And the power cable that plugs in the wall is 51 inches. This projector weighs 15 ounces. On the back of the unit, you see the plug for the DC power supply, a place for an HDMI cable so you can connect anything, a PS2, an Xbox, a DVD player, a VGA input, a USB stick port where you can put a memory stick in with movies on it, for example. Or here you have a headphone plug, an audio-visual jack for the AV cable, and a port here where you can put a lock in it so nobody will take it. On the bottom here you'll see a standard screw-in jack like you'd find on a camera, because this thing is so lightweight you can see it's the size of my hand, that you can screw this onto a camera stand and use it for a stand. You can see the front of the unit, and here's the projector lens. It's powered by a Texas Instruments DLP, or digital laser projection LED, which has a life of 20,000 hours, which is just amazing. On the top here you'll see the focus for the lens. You have to focus it based upon the distance. Here you have the power button, an up and down, left and right scrolling button to scroll through selections on the menu. Here you'll see the OK button to accept, and this is the setup button here. The device absolutely amazes me. I traveled the world for 35 years and did presentations in 49 of the 50 states and countries all over the world, and I got tired of lugging around a big heavy projector. Where was this thing when I needed it? This is a marvelous device that can be used in your home, business, or office. It's so small and light and easy to carry, it's just simply amazing. Imagine walking into a customer's office or to a meeting room carrying this and your iPad and doing the whole presentation, including videos from an iPad connected to this. Simply amazing. The unit, when projected onto a wall, has what's called an auto keystone picture squaring technology, which automatically squares up the picture. The maximum projected video screen size is 120 inches, which is 10 feet diagonal. That's amazing. For this kind of picture size, though, you're going to have to be in low light conditions. It's also capable of projecting images in 2D or 3D images. Its output intensity is limited to 400 lumens because it uses an LED technology, but it does also have a built-in speaker and comes with a 1-year warranty. A couple things you're going to need are some accessories that don't come with it. This is an HDMI cable. If you're going to connect this to an HDMI DVD player or gaming station, these are relatively inexpensive and they're readily available. This is a nice little accessory where I can plug in a Apple power supply, the HDMI cable, and plug this into an iPad and project the image from the iPad through this up to a wall. You can see the device turned on and projected on a blue background that's about 18 inches to 2 feet away from it, and you got about a 15-inch diagonal size projection. The color stripes you see there are not present to the human eye, and the clarity and quality of the projection is very good. This happens to be done in a very bright room. Here you can see the unit thinks it's looking for a USB source for a movie, photo, music, or text. If I hit the source button on the remote control, I can scan up and go to HDMI, hit the return key. Here you can see I've hit the source key to HDMI, and I have it tied to an Apple iPad 2, And here you can see the projection of the Apple screen onto the background. At this point you can play videos or instant Amazon. You can touch this, go to a child's movie, and the projection is excellent. And here you can see the projection of a video movie onto this background. Here you can see some photographs that are projected up on the background, and by just flipping my finger through the iPad, whatever I'm looking at is projected onto the screen. Just to give you a perspective, this is the projection of a movie onto a wall, and the projection is over 10 feet in diagonal, so it's about 125 inches. The graininess and flickering you see is due to the iPad video camera and its inability to see in such low light. It's not really dark in here, but it's a dim room, and but the picture on the wall to the human eye is perfect. Perfect color, perfect clarity. I'm extremely impressed with this unit. I've projected images of 20 inches diagonal to up to 120 inches diagonal, and the picture was excellent. This remote control down here has a lot of features and power. You can set the source and program it. It's wonderful. If you're in business, you can take this on the road. You don't even have to carry your computer with you. You can put your presentations, PowerPoints or whatever, as photographs on the memory stick and just scan through them very quickly. One of the important things to remember is that when you're projecting from the projector onto a wall or screen at an angle, you're going to get an odd-shaped picture, and the auto keystone mode, when turned on, as you can see here, makes the picture always appear square. So it's a very nice option. There is a speaker built into the projector, and there's also an output jack on the back for earphones that can be taken to a stereo to increase the amplification of the sound and broadcast it over a stereo system. By pushing down here on the projector to the left or right button, you'll see on the screen that the arrow keys will show up and allow you to increase and decrease volume. If you hold it, it continues to move up, and you can press it again and make it go down. This is an extremely powerful device. You can put inputs in the back of it from computers, or using an HDMI card. You can do a laptop, a DVD player, a camera, or a set-top box. You can use the AV cable and connect it to just about anything, a camera, a video recorder, for example. You saw me attach my iPad to it. You can even go into the side and put a USB memory stick here, and it will play many different types of file formats. And even on the side here, there's a slot for a TF card. So this is a highly versatile device. I'm extremely impressed with its lightweight. I mean, literally, it doesn't weigh anything. It's less than a pound. Its power is extremely impressive. This is a fantastic product. Maybe I should call it an incredible product because it's Incredisonic, but this device is just impressive. I put it through a whole series of tests. If you have a business, have to go make presentation, you're a teacher, or you're a business person who goes out and gives lessons and classes, this is a must-have product. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and extremely impressive. I just can't get over the power of it. I'm used to carrying things around that were 8 times the size and 8 times the weight, and certainly the screen projection was about 4 to 5 times brighter. But this thing here, you can operate the LED 4 hours a day, every day, 365 days a year, for 14 years. The comment that I only briefly touched on perhaps as little as 1/6 of the power of this device. It's beyond the scope of doing it in this video. When you do turn it off and you press the off button, you hold it down for a second and release it. It will stay on for about 60 seconds and a fan will run. That's to cool down the LED before it shuts off. This is absolutely a 5-star product. If I was a business person or CEO, I would certainly carry this with me, do my presentations. This review was done by JJ CEO. I'd like to tell you that I received a sample for test and evaluation, and I promise to give a fair and honest review.